This is week 8. We're heading into spring break. In fact, this is Friday before spring break. Week 8 hybrid class, and this is Bca-101, or excuse me, 155. Here, let me correct that. It's supposed to be a 5, that's supposed to be a 5. 155. Why do nobody notice that in class? Alright, today we did some work, initial work with iPads. Nyack was the ID to log in. We worked with images and video, and we had a brief evaluation in the course. We talked about the difference between raster and vector images. Raster, sometimes referred to as bitmapped, a bunch of ones and zeros, not ones and zeros represent them, but they're a bunch of dots configured together. And when you resize it, it gets out of proportion if you resize it. Vector is a bunch of points connected, curves and lines connected to create the image. So when you resize this, when you make it bigger or you make it smaller, it retains the quality. Okay? The student said this one's more like a math way of representing a picture. This is the way your phone takes pictures, raster, bitmap. We also looked at video. We talked about a video blog. We talked about blogs, text, audio, video. Again, a lot of times that's opinion. Where you host your video, the file sizes for video are big. Okay? So usually use some hosting site to do that. Probably the most popular example, a lot of people use YouTube to host their videos. Okay? We talked a little bit about the course materials. Make sure if you have any questions, let me know. We're going to interview some people who have websites. We'll be lining that up sometime in April. We'll maybe do 3 or 4 different people. Okay? This stuff was some stuff for the other class. So, you have your website that uses HTML, and we did a little bit with cascading style sheets, and coming up this half of the term we'll do a little bit of JavaScript. Okay. Some of the things with that. Then we also, another option was we are using WordPress to do our sites. Content management system, you could call it that. An easy way to manage the web, and we should learn that we can use a combination of those for our websites. Okay? And we talked a lot about design, what they look like, and so forth. And this term, we're going to talk about more things involved beyond just developing your website, but how do you promote it, content, and so forth, and how you use the website. And that is it.